Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to log someone out of your Amazon account. If you suspect that someone else is using your account, here's how you can remove their access. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. At the top of the page, click Sign In and log into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your name at the top of the page. Then scroll down and click See All next to your account. Next, scroll down and select Devices. Here, you'll see various Amazon services like Prime Video, Kindle, and more. Since we're focusing on your main Amazon account, select Amazon. You'll now see a list of all devices currently logged into your account. To log out a device, simply click Deregister next to it, then confirm by clicking Deregister again. This will remove your Amazon account from that device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.